The robo-advisor is an advantage for advisors. They've created a platform where I can subscribe to it and onboard my clients using their platform. I don't need to invest in a platform of my own if I didn't want to. They all do things a little bit differently, but the basic task of onboarding digitally, making it very easy to consolidate assets and transfer monies in, is really the core value of the robo-advisor. If it means that as an advisor, a human advisor, I don't need to do those things and I can leverage their platform to be able to onboard my clients, consolidate assets, and make my life easier so that I can give the real value-added advice that I've trained for, then I can leverage myself and I can really make this an opportunity. A robo-advisor is an institution that has a digital onboarding. They would be an asset manager for a very, very low fee. A very basic allocation is set for the investor. An annual rebalancing is done for that client. And because there's not a lot of work involved, they're able to charge a much lower management expense ratio or fee on the invested money. So it's very appealing to a lot of people who are accumulating, who just want a simple allocation and a low cost. People may want to use a robo-advisor instead of a human advisor when things are simple and there's not much complexity going on. Perhaps younger folks who have a long time to invest, don't have a lot of money. Robo-advisors don't have minimums, so you can start with literally nothing and be able to access an institution where you can save and they can invest your money for you at a very low cost. Some advisors might think that robo-advisors will somehow impede their revenue streams. I particularly don't believe that's the case. I think in every line of business, there are certain products that can be seen as a commodity product. But there will always be a fit for human advisors because life isn't simple. Life is complex. Families are complex. We have families that have second marriages and kids from previous marriages. It makes it very difficult to plan for sometimes. There's estate planning that needs to be done. There's will planning. All these complexities, they add up, and not everybody realizes that at the time. And there is no robo-advisor that can create an algorithm to satisfy that need. They know that they can't provide the advice. They're partnering with advisors because they know this. And while saving while we're young might be a very simple task, as people grow and get new jobs and take on more responsibility, the robo-advisors know they need to partner with advisors to provide that more complex advice. So as a small advisor with a couple staff, not having a robo-advisor, if I was interested in utilizing that, I would just reach out to the robo-advisors because many of them have mechanisms to be able to partner with advisors. They really do realize that they need to be partnering with advisors. And I can speak for Canada, and most of them do have channels that they will partner with advisors so that you can leverage their technology to grow your business.